So, mans are here at the old location, but nobody's here. Nobody.
Yes, welcome to another episode of Super Vendors. I'm with my partner Chris.
What's going on, everybody?
And today we're moving 2 machines into 2 new locations, but one of the locations shut down. Couldn't believe it.
Find out what happens next.
Man, we're back here again. Do another shift of the machine them. With Vibe Alive. Fresh vibe. Vibe depot. We're here. And we're on the way to do the first switch. We're about to switch our location from a warehouse to a new tires and rim location that they have. They're merging their buildings together. So we're gonna move that machine back down to the warehouse one because it holds more. The warehouse, we got a lot of people. So here we are, Super Vendors.
Yeah, so this is us traveling from our warehouse location, going to the new rim and tire location to install we had the Sega. We're about to install the Sega into the new rim and tire location. Up in that area, we got some of our vending, some of the places where we get like vending products and like vending machines from, like the Broker House, NAYAX Canada's up more, Niagara, I'm being told from my partner. NAYAX is a pretty good company. Chris, what you got?
So we have NAYAX reader on our AMS machine, and I personally really like the NAYAX readers. They're very clean looking. They have the touch screen. They're very user friendly, very easy to use for the customers. They even have the MoMA app, which you can see all your products and your sales, and it's very, very good product.
Yeah, so part right now is like for us to move the Sega machine over there to the new rim and tire location makes sense to us because it's smaller, and the rim and tire locations, they don't really have the best seasons. Their best seasons are like winter going into spring. So we have this AMS that we're about to bring back down. See how it goes.
So if you guys need the rims, you know where to go. Yes, sir.
Sorry,
Yes, sir. Vibe, say what up.
What's going on?
Say what up to the people, man.
What up?
Tell them what you're doing today.
Switching machines, bringing the machine from another location, bringing it here, and just waiting for our moving guy to drop off the machine.
All right. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a money day today. So it sounds like. So you already know where to get y'all rims and all that stuff dealt with. Rims, tires, wheels. Limitless. There's no limit. So basically what we're thinking was we're going to put it right here. I think they wanted to block the window there. I think we have just enough room there. I don't know if we're going to use this door or from the back. Yeah. See you soon. Limitless truck. Ooh. Out here trying to look at that, trying to see what's going on here. It's our new location. We have to see who our neighbors are. Maybe these guys want a vending machine. Who knows, yo? You never know. If y'all want some Brazilian jiu-jitsu, I know they need a vending machine. Them boys be thirsty after whooping all that. Woo-wee.
Yeah, so this is us moving from the new rim and tire location to the old rim and tire location to retrieve our AMS vending machine. But something crazy happens. Just find out to see what happens.
You know, mans are here at the old location, but nobody's here. Nobody. So, you know, this kind of cuts into our time. Pay the man by the hour, and ain't nobody here. Gentleman said he'll be here in 10 minutes though, but it's not good. As much as you prepare and everything, it still ends up like this. But don't be sad. Get glad. Yeah, put that there. Oh, they can't do it.
I wonder if you could use this.
If you use that one?
Yeah, because.
Okay.
Is it possible to use this or no? This door here. That door, hang on, how are you going to lower it? We have a lift gate, but because this is. Our lift gate only goes to about here. Okay, you have to kind of drop the machine. Okay, I'll open that door.
Okay, thanks, thanks, yeah. Back it up there? Yeah. Here? Oh, you're a guy. Okay.
They always used to have me wrap the skids because I wouldn't get dizzy.
Oh, that kind of wrap. Oh, I see.
Well, I do that other kind of wrap too, but
You have room back there now too?
Yeah. Found some onions. Found 10 cents, some onion skins.
Oh, there's another guy in here.
Yeah, well, I'm picking them up.
They all add up, you know?
It was used for the machine, man.
yo, can you hold it?
Yeah, all right. Hey, will you do it?
Yeah, I was trying to find a spot, but I didn't want to.
Alright.
That's why. We're doing.
Oh, yeah. We did have to open. Did we open the door last time?
You may have to.
Yeah, we did.
I think we did open the door. You're right.
Then you want to use the.
I actually said that earlier too. Remember?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah.
Open that up, yeah.
Yeah, I think we did that.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this one is gonna go back to the other warehouse that we were at. This one holds more rows. Beautiful AMS machine with the cow milk print. Look at all those rows that are about to get, they're empty and they're gonna fill them and empty again. That's what I like to see. And then these ones are sick because we have these, you know?
Yeah.
So I have to change those. Actually, hold on.
Yeah, I definitely want to put some WD-40 on this machine. Because every time I came here to fill it, it was like,
Still looking better than the other place. And there's another onion slice here. What's going on in here, fam? That's crazy. Onions, yeah. There's peeling onions here all day, man. Something.
Well, I love onions. I'm Portuguese.
Yeah. I have to stay away from them. They're too acidy right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. I used to love them too, so, man. I still love them, man. Onion garlic too, I know. Garlic good for the sickness too, man.
Yes.
I be drinking the garlic and ginger, man. Trust me. Yeah.
my kids hate onions.
Oh, really?
They think they're too spicy. Especially my younger daughter.
Towards me, Lenny?
Huh?
Towards me?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. More. A little more. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Down?
Yes.
Body first?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead.
You're on. out or something. It's kind of heavy still though. Or it come from the floor.
Back.
It's kind of heavy still, but it's fine.
See the thing at the bottom? The wire?
This?
Yeah.
You have a screwdriver?
No, don't. You can get the screwdriver.
A screwdriver? Yeah, we have some in the car though. We have to grab that in the back though. Yeah, grab the cart.
Or you know what? Let's put it the other side.
Yeah, put the let's yeah, the door first. Yeah, about to say that. Yeah, yeah. That's how we had to do it. We had to do the door first.
We gotta lift that side forward. Yeah.
You got the board. Why don't you?
Really, you can come.
Yeah, because if you push it, then you can even swing this side.
Give it a push, okay?
Yeah.
It's coming off the four-wheeler.
Yeah.
The four-wheeler's not moving, that's the problem. Okay, so you pull the door out. Go.
What you could do is try to maybe swing it there. Yeah.
Yeah. The door on? Okay, try that now.
Yep. 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 Just that part there on the four-wheeler there.
You know, hang on.
Just that four-wheeler right there. That's about it. Should be good after that.
Push it back to me a bit. I mean, yeah, because then you can move the foot.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Okay, I gotta lift you.
All right. Perfect. No. So to use a different direction.
Okay, there.
All right. We'll go grab the stuff here.
Did you want to put it on the pump truck or you okay with this?
It'll be better with function.
Okay.
Yeah, wrap up. Over there still.
Don't forget the onion skin, eh?
I know, man. Must be good luck or something.
They even have a kitchen.
Nah, not at all.
I think we should do this. Yeah, let's just take that off.
Should we wrap it up now?
Yeah.
Let's
Get through that place?
Okay, so ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
We'll get this. This was inside there. I don't know why it was in there too. That's from our thing though. I have to figure that out.
Yeah. Okay, down.
Okay.
sir. I'll bring up the red one. Yeah, one of them. Yeah, probably will. I'll pick it up.
Okay. Well, there, this one here was fine. It's the only one I was concerned about.
Well, I already have a thing set up there, so it's just like, you know? It's gonna take a minute. I didn't really account for that. Should I ask them what they're doing? Y'all want some chairs? Hey, are you guys selling any of those chairs or anything, or giving them away or anything?
Yeah, we're selling them, yeah.
Yeah?
Somebody, you have someone?
What about that red one over there, the wheel one? Friggin', I'm gonna try to do the top too, yo. I'm gonna try to do the tops. I'm gonna try to do it. You wanna do that?
Put your bracelet, but put it down. The last.
Yeah.
Bring it down. Or else it's gonna fire what the last one did.
Yeah. Here, I'll come do it. So. Here, look.
Yeah, but if you bring it across and then you take it across there.
Okay, so when I did come back after
Yeah.
everything. All right, I got it. All right, so you guys are good to go, and then we'll meet back at that same, the first warehouse. Okay, yeah. Move. Let's see who will get there first, us or the machine. Man versus machine, part 1.
Yes, sir. So here we are at our warehouse location with our beautiful cow printed AMS machine.
We actually wanted to get 2 machines for this location, but we didn't have the space for it, so we just had to put the one AMS combo machine. As you saw, we had to transport this machine in the rain. We wrapped it up with shrink wrap as much as we could, but next time I think we're gonna put some garbage bags on top of it and wrap it a little better. But the machine worked perfectly anyway.
Yeah, make sure you test out make sure everything's dry on the inside, like the motherboard, especially, before you try to operate anything, any electrical, anything, make sure everything is dry. This location, actually, we took this from another vendor. I don't know, maybe he had other locations and this wasn't really worth his time, or maybe he just wasn't that great at it, or whatever it may be, but we ended up taking it, even so we've been keeping up with our service and whatnot. Yeah, every few times we give them gifts. If it's Valentine's Day, we give them some chocolate flowers or Hershey Kisses or something like that. Christmas times, we try to like come in with maybe elf hats or something like that, but you know how it is. Speaking about the service, it's funny enough, Chris called in the location actually by accident.
Yeah, so I was trying to call another location of the same company at this location, and I was trying to get a machine in there. However, they said they had a machine already and said that the service was amazing, but that's when I realized that I was speaking to this location.
Yeah, so make sure you keep up with your keeping ups because somebody might just come through and scoop that from you. But yeah, man, also look around the areas, of wherever you put your vending machine in or whenever you're talking, because, another place down the street might actually want a vending machine. There's a whole bunch of stuff there, and make sure every time you kind of vend test your products, because if it's a new product, especially if it's a new product that you've never vended before, certain things might get stuck in there. Then you're gonna have to come back to the location. You're gonna get complaining, hungry people, hangry people. You don't want that.
You can see me here changing the prices on the AMS machine. Make sure that you double click the star button to save. And before you turn the machine off, make sure that it goes back to the insert your card menu. Otherwise, it's gonna go back to the original pricing. Also, we had to take this machine from our tire and rim location and put it into this location because our Sega machine was here and we had to fill it every 2 to 3 days, which wasn't really cost effective, so it was better off to have our bigger machine in our bigger location and, vice versa.
Yeah, so we will do a video of us pricing on this AMS machine, the different things that you can do, like pricing all in one with the trays, the whole trays, or just rows or single columns and whatnot. You guys just drop a comment down below and let us know what you want to hear from us. Let us know what you guys have been doing, where you're from. We're from Canada, so maybe we vend different than you guys, but I want to know what you guys are doing, what you want to know. And yeah, man, thanks for joining us again. I'm with my partner Chris here.
Yes.
We are Super Vendors.
Super Vending.
Out.
Gone.